Okay, guys. Okay, so it's going for take 4 here now, or is it take 5? I lost track. But yeah, I removed the part cooling duct, the whole fan, everything. So that one cannot melt. I do have some issue with homing. Not sure what it is. Probably due to high temperatures, but not sure though. It might be the magnets losing magnetism in the ATC chamber. So chamber is currently at 74 now, and I'm gonna start the print. And this is just, I don't have much filament left. Just had to make a calibration cube. It's gonna be 10 grams approximately. Hopefully that's what I have left. So just started the print, waiting for the nozzle to reach 390. Hoping my homing will work. I had a little bit of problems with the homing just lately. Everything changes when you get from 70C chamber to 80C. Lots of stuff happening. It's really... Okay, here we go. The probe is on. Fetching the probe. Probing. Yeah, my print sheet is totally wrecked. This is PEX from Wham and it did not like the PEI filament for sure. So I'm not sure what kind of print surface I should use for PEI, but need to figure that out. At least we can see that PEX is not good. Just cleaning the nozzle. Okay. Let me take a look at the C offset. So far looking good. This is just a boring XYZ cube, but it's what I have left of filament, so I scale it a little bit up. So we're looking at 60 millimeter in speed, 61.4 to be exact, because it's volumetric, 5 cubic millimeter a second. Travel is 300. Chamber is up to 78 now. I think that should be okay. Hopefully nothing else breaks. I've broken a lot now. First the X carrier, and then we had the fan duct melting in ABS as well. Not sure why it melted being ABS, but the bed was 120, so, and it's very close to the bed. So I removed the fan duct. Don't need fan for this print. Let me check. I can hear the extruder is skipping a little bit, so I don't like that. Let me up the temperature a little bit to 390, maybe that helps. Or I can go down on the speed, maybe a little bit. Maybe printing too fast. So I upped the temperature to 390 to see if that helps. Went down to 90% speed, so speed is 55 millimeter a second now, approximately. And now also the extruder motor is probably a little bit hot at this point. Let me see if I can focus a little bit better. I guess the focus is okay. What do you guys think? Skipping seems to have stopped. Does seem to like 390 on the hot end better than 380. I might be printing too fast also, I have no clue what kind of speeds this does, but it's volumetric, so 5 cubic millimeter a second, I guess, should be in the reach. Yes, the chamber is actively heated. We actually use the bed heater as the chamber heater. And a fan. We have a fan in the bottom of the chamber blowing on the bed heater. So the bed heater is heating the bed and the chamber. So I need to adjust bed temperature to control the chamber also. So we thought about adding, you know, a specified heater for the chamber, but the chamber is so well insulated that we don't really need a secondary chamber heater. We can use the bed heater. We actually might have an issue that the chamber overheats if the bed temperature goes too high, so we might look into venting the chamber actually, because currently the chamber is 78.5 and the bed is at 110 and it's going up. The chamber temp is going up. .390 on the nozzle is much better than 380 for this. Depends on your setup, of course. We don't know if 390 is 390 or what it is really. My temperature probe is a PT1000. Oh, hair skipping again. Oops. Okay. I'm gonna turn down the speed a little bit. Let's go down to 50 millimeter a second. Oh, good. Swarfster. Yeah, it looks like I'm pushing a little bit hard on the extruder, so the extruder is struggling a little bit. So 5 cubic millimeter a second cubed might be a little bit too much. Currently down to, I don't know what in volumetric speed, I don't know, but I'm down to like 50 millimeter a second now. I am going to water cool this guy. It really needs water cooling for these high temps. Yeah, it's looking okay. Also water cooling the hot end and the extruder, at least the extruder motor at least. Looking fine so far. So Tidofelder, hello from Germany, hello from Norway. So just a minute, because I have some skipping here again. Why is it skipping? Let me have a look. I'm experiencing some skipping here now, and I have no clue why. It might just be the extruder is struggling. Chamber is up to 79 now. Yeah. Definitely something is not right, because the extruder is skipping. I'm not sure what happened, but the extruder was skipping, and I might need to look into another type of extruder. This Bontek is not as strong as I would like it to be, so I am looking into different extruders for more pushing force. Extruder is really struggling now. Okay, I have to kill this print because the extruder is just stopped extruding, and I have no clue why. But that's the name of the game when you're doing stuff that's unknown. Starting this high temp stuff is really different from let's say, yeah, ABS, polycarbonate, nylon. That's no problem. But this ULTEM stuff is a different kind, yeah. And also chamber in 8 at 80C. It does affect stuff in the chamber, which is not affected at 70C. Let me see, Tito Felder, what you asked me. Heat issues? Yeah, it might be heat issues from the extruder. The Dice Pro, yeah. That's also I'm trying to make this as cost effective as possible now. You know, the dice is really expensive, but of course you do want stuff that works. The plastic of the hot end and bed mount. So the hot end carrier is all ABS. The parts on the carrier, X carrier, is all ABS, and the bed mounts, that's high temp CPE, so copolyester, which is safe up to 110 degrees Celsius. And ABS should also be okay up to 110, but I do see that when I have the bed at 120, the parts, the ABS parts close to the bed is affected by that. So yeah, I need to look into printing stuff in other material really for these high temp prints. So, but anyway, I had to kill the print. I had to figure out why it's struggling, skipping, and let's see if we can squeeze some filament out now. Just gonna cancel the print and see if I can extrude something. Yeah, filament's coming out, so I really don't know why this happened. I guess I'll have to find out somehow. Okay, anyway, I tried, guys. I'll come back stronger when I know what's wrong. And thank you for watching, and see you guys soon.